Hello and welcome to our video on Alan Watts. Alan Watts was a British philosopher, writer, and speaker who popularized Eastern philosophy in the West. He has many famous quotes that are still relevant today. In this video, we'll be exploring some of his most famous quotes and what they mean. 1. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. This quote is all about embracing change and going with the flow. It's easy to get stuck in our ways and resist change, but Alan Watts reminds us that change is inevitable and we should embrace it. 2. The meaning of life is just to be alive. It is so plain and so obvious and so simple. This quote is a reminder that life doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes we get caught up in trying to find the meaning of life when really it's just about being alive and experiencing everything that comes with it. 3. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. This quote is all about balance. We can't experience pleasure without also experiencing pain. It's important to embrace both the good and the bad in life. 4. This is the real secret of life, to be completely engaged with what you are doing in the here and now, and instead of calling it work, realize it is play. This quote is all about being present in the moment. Instead of thinking of work as something we have to do, we should think of it as something we get to do. 5. The more a thing tends to be permanent, the more it tends to be lifeless. This quote is all about impermanence. Nothing lasts forever, and that's okay. It's important to embrace change and let go of things that are no longer serving us. Thank you for watching our video on Alan Watts. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of his most famous quotes and what they mean. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.
Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments. Bye for now. Bye for now.